In this video, we're going to look at the most common settings available for a text field. This item field here is a text field. Directly here from the field, I can change the field label. I can also change the tooltip text, or add tooltip text if there wasn't any. I can also click here to make it required, which means this field must have content in it or the record can't be saved. For other settings, I need to come across here to Properties, and the Property panel on the right here opens. From here, I also have access to the field title or the display name. I can change the tooltip text. I can also give the field a default value. So for example, if I type bolts in as a default value, anytime a record is created with this form, the text bolts will appear here in the item field. The text can then be edited, replaced, deleted, but all records would start with that default value in this particular field. I also have control over whether or not the field is required, but from here I can change the text of the message you will get if the field is left blank. Under the validation section, I have the option of setting a minimum and maximum number of characters. So for example, I could say this field has to have at least 2 characters. And again, I can control the error message, and I can set a maximum number of characters of say 150 characters. And again, I get control over the error message. And finally, in the format section, I get some text formatting options. The default is there's no formatting applied. I can set every single character to be upper or lowercase. I can capitalize on the word, which means the first letter of every word is capitalized. I can capitalize on the paragraph, which means the first letter of every paragraph is capitalized. The remove extra spaces option here will take away duplicate spaces and spaces at the beginning and the end. So if somebody types a couple of spaces before the first character, or any spaces after the last character, or if they put 2 or 3 spaces between words, all of those will be trimmed out, so we're left with no space before the first character, no trailing space after the last character, and only 1 space between each word. That covers the common features of the text field.